Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan. Today we are going to be talking about how do flashbang grenades work. Today we're going to be talking about how do flashbang grenades actually work. So maybe you've seen video games or documentaries or whatever that maybe while you're playing some video games like, I don't know, Call of Duty or some other shooter games, right? Sometimes you see people using flashbang grenades, okay? Throwing them down, you accidentally look at them, your entire screen goes fully white. But have you actually ever known how a real flashbang grenade actually works in real life, okay? Like in real wars and military stuff, okay? So how do these flashbang grenades work? So how they work is that it's mostly made up of two parts, the steel body and then the rest of the mechanisms and stuff. So how everything works is that when we hold the flashbang grenade itself, it's completely fine, okay? But once we pull the two pins out, okay, the two safety pins, once they're pulled out, it's still fine if you still have a firm grip on the lever. But let's say while you're fighting, okay, and you want to disorientate the enemy, you throw the flashbang grenade, okay? Once you throw it, the lever is yeeted off the main contraption, okay? Now the thing is, the lever is basically holding back this thing called the striker, okay? Now the striker, okay, is basically attached to a spring, okay? And the spring activates, the striker hits the primer, and because of that, it causes a chemical reaction activating the delay mix. So the spark of created by the primer, okay, goes through the delay mix, which is around 1.5 seconds, okay? So once it goes through the delay mix, it reaches the stun charge itself, okay, which is made out of magnesium and ammonium, okay, combined together, okay. These two chemicals basically explode with all the pressure and heat and stuff, and popping off the cap, okay, it explodes, okay, releasing a blinding flash, okay, it creates a blinding flash that's so bright that it can temporarily temporarily blind someone for a little while, and can be as loud as 180 decibels, okay? So not only you can't see anything that much, but you also your hearing just gets shot out, okay? Now the thing is, okay, flashbang grenades are in military and stuff like that, in actual wars, are only used to disorientate the enemy, okay? Due to their flashing bright light, okay? It just knocks them off guard, but the thing that knocks them out is the decibels, okay? Not the decibel, but the sound itself, okay? It's so loud it can even cause permanent hear loss, okay? And not here, okay? Not here, okay? So that's basically how a flashbang grenade works. And the thing is, these guys are not lethal, unlike their other counterparts like regular grenades that are used to actually hurt people. Flashbang grenades are not meant for lethal purposes, okay? They're only there to disorientate the enemy. Anyways, that's basically how a flashbang grenade works. And, well, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time.